Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're a subscriber, welcome back, and if you're just passing by, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. So I am going to be doing another set of nails today. This is from the Btartbox. They kindly sent me their new collection, which is the pink set collection, and I picked the short square. So today, once again, I would be putting these nails on, and they are gel X nails. I have created a few other videos using the Btartbox nails, so please go check my other videos if you want to see the whole process, but I will be going into details again today for you guys. Okay, so like I said, these are the pink nails, and my nails are already prepped and filed and clean, and I'm now choosing the sizes for my nail. Make sure when you choose your sizes, you make sure that the nail fits your nail from side to side. Now I am using my e-file to just file the size of my nail, to file off any dead skin, you know, to make my nails really smooth. I'm mainly focusing towards my cuticle to take away any dead skin, any cuticles of my nail. You don't have to do this process. You don't have to go get yourself an e-file just because of this. You can just use a normal file. Okay, you can just use a normal file to just file off any dirt, any oils, any debris, and any dead skin. Getting ready, getting your nails prepared to apply your gel X nails from Btartbox. Like I said, these nails are from Btartbox. They are the pink French tips. They are so cute, and you can wear them throughout the year. There's a lovely summer color, lovely spring color. So after filing, I'm just going to use acetone to wipe off all the dirt. And when you use acetone, make sure you use a lint-free cotton pad. I'm just using kitchen roll here. After filing my nails, I just like to go in once again with a dehydrator. This dehydrator is from Amazon. It's from a company called Model Ones. And then after that, I like to use a primer as well. The primer aids the gel to stick and to stick more to your nails, and they definitely last longer. So after applying the primer, you need to wait a little bit so that it gets a little bit tacky before you start to apply your nails. I'm using the gel glue from Btartbox to glue my nails today. Previously I have used other ones, but I'm using the gel glue. So this is what I do. I apply the gel on my nail first, making sure I coat every part of my nail. After that, I then apply gel on the gel X nail from Btartbox as well, making sure I coat all around the nail. And then once I'm done, I just kind of scoop the rest of the glue on the brush onto the end of the nail. Once that's done, you then stick it at an angle about, not really 45 degrees, but kind of like an angle pointing your nail kind of down, not 180 degrees, but about 45 degrees. Once that's done, you cure it under the light. Now, this is the mistake I used to make previously. I used to like press the nail on like I'm sticking it on like it's glue. You don't have to do that. Once you just put the nail on and it's had a contact with your nail, just put it straight under the light, under the UV light, and it's just going to cure, and it's going to, the gel will harden, and that's all you need to do. If you put too much gel and it begins to spill out on the side, after you have cured for about 10 seconds, bring the nail out, take out all the gel around close to your skin, and then you can put your nail back to keep curing. You need to cure for 60 seconds. Okay, now this is me done with my right hand, and then I'm going to start on, this is me done, then I'm going to start on my right hand using my non-dominant hand, which is my left hand. So same process, file, dehydrate, and then add primer. Let the primer stay for about 2 to 3 minutes to become tacky, and then you start to stick on your gel X nails. So I've been doing this for a really long time, so using my non-dominant hand has become a norm to me, so it's been okay. But just take your time, there is no rush. Apply the gel just the same way. What I tend to do is I hold the tip of the gel X nail so that you don't touch the gel that you have applied on the nail. Just hold the tip. Once you've held the tip, put on the light first before you put the nail on, so that once you get exactly the angle that you want, you just start to cure immediately. So that's the trick. That's the trick that I use, and that's the tip I'm sharing with you in this video. Always make sure that you cure for 60 seconds. Okay, 60 seconds. Let's do this again. Apply the gel glue on your nail, then apply the same gel glue on the artificial nail, that's the Gel-X nail. Turn on your light first, then place the nail on your nail bed. Do not press it hard on it, just place it on it. Once the glue is in contact with your nail and the artificial nail, just cure immediately. It will harden under the light and it will stick to your nail, and you are fine. Do not press so much that all the glue will be sticking out on the side. That will become so messy for you that you're going to have to start cleaning the sides, and it will take too long. Okay, so I'm just showing you once again, so that you guys will understand and you would get it, and then you become a nail DIY queen in your own home. Do you understand? Do you get me? I play too much. So basically that's it, really. So after we've done all the nails, you've stuck all the nails, then I like to cure again for another 60 seconds just to make sure it's all cured. Then you cut off the bit on the nail that was stuck to the artificial nail. Just basically file your nail down. That's what I'm trying to say. Now, because this is square, I like my square to look a little bit different from the normal square. So I like to file the sides again just to get the square shape that I want. You don't have to do this step. If you're happy with the shape that has come from Btartbox, then just skip this step. But I just like to add a little bit of extra, to mine. Then it's time to take out all the gel glue that spilled out of my nail when I was sticking them on. I know I try so hard to avoid this, but it still happens sometimes. So I'm going to use this tool to just take them out. It doesn't hurt. It's not it doesn't hurt. It's quite okay and safe to do. Just make sure that you don't cut yourself, because that's gonna really hurt. Okay, so this is just me taking out all the gel glue that was spilling out when I stuck my nails on. And then after that, I am going to pick up my e-file again and start to file the sides of my nail down to my cuticle. This is just to make the nail look a bit more natural, really. You can also use a normal file for this. You don't have to use an e-file. I just like to feel like a professional in my home. I like to go a bit extra, which is why I am using an e-file. And like I said, I'm so used to it now, so I can even use my non-dominant hand to hold the e-file. Basically, the trick is just hold it like you're holding a pencil, really. That's all. Just hold it like you're holding the pencil, and then just aim to file close to your cuticle. Do not hurt yourself, okay? Aim to file close to your cuticle. That way, the nail will look a lot more natural than just like a stick-on nail. Because remember, we are putting these nails on for them to last. And I kid you not, the Btartbox nails last me minimum 11 days. And I'm saying 11 days because after 11 days, I get bored and I want a new set. But if I'm not going to get bored and I'm not going to want a new set, Btartbox can last up to 3 weeks, 4 weeks. But you need to do them right. You need to stick them on right, and you need to do a lot of right or accurate preparation to make that happen. So after using the e-file, I'm just using the nail file as well, just to show you that you don't have to use an e-file. Basically, Btartbox provides you with everything you need. I've used the gel glue from Btartbox. The curing light is also from Btartbox. Even the nail files, they're from Btartbox. You can just buy the whole set from their website, and then you have everything you need to start your Gel-X at home DIY journey. So after filing, I like to use my nail brush to just brush off every of the the dirt, the debris from filing, just to make sure that I have a clean, smooth nail to work with. Once that's done, I now take this tiny brush, this small brush, dip it into acetone and just pass it around, the area that I filed, just pass it around. This also just helps to melt the nail. So the next step now is to wash your hands. So I like to wash my hands before starting to use the builder gel, Just wash every of the debris away. No adding any oil or any lotion. Just wash your hands, keep them dry, and then we start to apply the builder gel. I'm just showing you my nails here to see. Look at how stunning, how gorgeous are these pink ones. Okay, since I was doing these nails during Valentine, I decided to add some stickers. So I'm adding heart stickers on them, shaped ones. Now, to use stickers or to use any gems or whatsoever on this Btartbox, my advice is that you put the sticker or you put the gem on the dry nail before you start to add the builder gel. But on here, what I'm doing is to use the builder gel first before the sticker. But like I said earlier, I would have preferred to use the sticker first before the builder gel. So I'm applying the builder gel on the dry nail. The builder gel comes with the whole set, so you need to use a thin layer. Please apply a thin layer. The mistake I used to make, I used to pack a lot of builder gel on, and then it doesn't dry properly, and they begin to peel earlier or quickly. So apply your builder gel and then you cure for 60 seconds. Now the nail tips that I bought, they are the pink French tips, and they come in 2 different colors. So you can get the nail in pink, that's the base of the nail, or you can get it in brown. So mine is in brown, which matches my skin color, and then the tips are pink. Please make sure you apply the builder gel all over the nail, including the sides of the nail. This will help to protect the color and help your set to last longer. So that's what I'm doing here, applying the builder gel just gently. Try to avoid your skin, because if it touches your skin and it dries, it will cause lifting on the sides and then your nail won't last long. So try as much as possible to avoid your skin. And if you do get the builder gel on your skin, get a brush, dip in acetone and wipe it off immediately before you cure it. Because remember, if you cure this under the lamp, the gel will harden, and that's exactly how it will look like on your skin if you let it touch your skin. This video is a bit longer than my usual ones because I am trying to show you in detail how to use your Btartbox, how to apply them, how to stick them on your nail, so that they would last longer. I kid you not, and I've said it earlier on, mine lasts me about 3 to 4 weeks, although after 10-11 days, all just because I have 5 sets to work through. I just take them off myself after 11 days, and I want to stick another color because they're just so gorgeous, so beautiful. After applying the builder gel, then apply the stickers. After curing the builder gel, you get the number 2, which is the top coat, and then you apply once again a very thin layer. Please apply on your nail. I'm applying this on my nail with the sticker and everything. This is the final step, guys. We are done. You have done your nails yourself in your house, in the comfort of your home, saved yourself some coins. Now clap for yourself, okay? Clap for yourself, because you're now your own nail tech and you are doing really well. So I'm applying the top coat on here and go straight back under the light. It says 60 seconds, but I like to cure for like 120 seconds. Just leave it there for another extra 60 seconds. And if you want just a tad bit extra of 60 seconds, and your nails are going to come out looking gorgeous. We are done. Look at my nails. Look at how stunningly beautiful and gorgeous these French tip square nails from Btartbox are. Lovely. I'm just going to then do the same thing on my other hand, and this is the finished look. The stickers, oh my goodness, the stickers are stunning. They're lovely, beautiful. And then I'm just setting up a little bit just to take a picture for Instagram, obviously, and for TikTok as well. So if you're not following me on Instagram and TikTok, please go and follow me. If you check on the description below, you will see links to my TikTok and my Instagram, so you guys can go follow me. I'll put a link to Btartbox's website as well in the description below. They also do stick-on nails as well. I have used the brown ones before. They do have the blue ones. They have pink, and as I speak at this time, they have come out with purple ones. Thank you for watching this far. I hope you've learned a thing or two, and I can't wait for you to try your own Btartbox set. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't. It will really help me a lot, and leave comments down below as well. Give me a like as well, and share this video with all your friends who want to learn how to do their own nails themselves. Ciao, bye.